Ever wondered if that platform everyone talks about, the one with all the charts and indicators, is actually good enough for the high-octane world of day trading? You know the one I'm talking about, TradingView. It's a fantastic tool, no doubt, but can it genuinely be your co-pilot when every second and every pip counts? Day trading is a beast of its own. It demands speed, precision, and an unshakable platform that won't lag or freeze when you're milliseconds away from a crucial entry or exit. So, the question isn't just can you open a chart on TradingView, but can TradingView handle the relentless pace and unique demands of day trading? Let's break it down. On the surface, TradingView seems like a natural fit. It boasts an incredible array of charting tools, from sophisticated technical indicators to drawing tools that let you annotate your strategies with pinpoint accuracy. You can customize nearly everything, build complex watch lists, and even replay market data to hone your skills without risking a dime. For analysis, it's pretty much a gold standard. The real-time data feeds are generally excellent, covering a vast range of assets from stocks and forex to cryptocurrencies and commodities. This comprehensive data coverage is crucial for day traders who often jump between different markets looking for opportunities. But here's where the rubber meets the road: execution. While TradingView offers integration with several brokers, allowing you to place trades directly from the platform, this is where the experience can vary. The seamlessness of this integration is key. You need rapid order entry, reliable fill rates, and minimal slippage, especially when dealing with volatile markets. Some integrated brokers might offer a fantastic experience, while others might introduce a slight delay or less intuitive order management. For true day trading, many professionals still prefer their broker's native platform for direct order execution, leveraging TradingView primarily for its superior charting and analytical capabilities. They might have one screen dedicated to TradingView for charting and another for their broker's platform for lightning-fast execution. Another point to consider is the platform's reliance on your internet connection and computer resources. While generally robust, a weak connection or an underpowered machine could introduce lag, which is a day trader's worst nightmare. You're constantly monitoring multiple time frames, indicators, and often multiple assets simultaneously. In essence, TradingView is an unparalleled analytical powerhouse for day traders. Its charting capabilities, vast indicator library, and robust real-time data make it an indispensable tool for formulating strategies and identifying opportunities. However, for the actual execution of trades, especially for high-frequency strategies, evaluating its direct broker integrations and comparing them with your broker's standalone platform is vital. It's a fantastic brain for your trading operation, but you need to ensure you have equally swift hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.